What's up, guys? Third Coast Fishing. Today is really exciting. We are going to go pick up our new boat. So it's not new, it's old as hell. It probably needs a lot of work, but it's only 500 bucks. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and keep updated on this new build. Got the jack so we can lift it up because we got to change the tires before we can even leave. So, and of course, we got the backup plans. What's up? Just in case. Jack stands, sockets and stuff, and some wood because the ground's really soft where we're going. So this ought to be fun. Stay tuned, guys. This is going to be a fun day today. All right, guys, what's up? We made it. We're here at the boat. Give you a little walk around pre-purchase. We gotta change these tires before we can even get it out of here. Two-stroke. Propeller's good. Transom's good. Back deck's good. Seat's not so good. Soft spot here. This is pretty good condition. You got the gas can and everything's under there. This tire needs to be changed. It needs to be new carpet. But front deck needs to be changed out. Leaves need to be taken out. It's alright. It'll work. It'll work for what we need it for. The trailer's good. So, alright, well, we're gonna get with this guy, get a bill of sale written up, and get these tires changed and go to a tire place and get them changed so we can get this thing out of here. Tire's not so easy to take off. Leaves coming out of there. Right nut for the right job. Roll horses. Alright, guys, what's up? We almost got these tires changed. Look at that. Got grease in there. Oh, she's almost done with the tire. Yeah, I said she. Bud is a chick, so. Okay, we've got to let this down nice and easy. I think we have a little bit of structure issues. Looks like we have a little corrosion. No worry. I'm a welder. Alright, guys, we're all done with the tires. So we're about to head back to the house. Hopefully we make it to the house with this trailer and this boat. So we'll see you when we get back to the house, and we're gonna start, you know, cleaning this thing up, getting all the leaves out, getting it all cleaned up, getting the center console taken out, getting the cooler stand taken out, get everything cleaned up. All right, we gotta pull over because the little cooler thing is about to fly out of the truck, so we gotta go figure something out. I don't think that's gonna go anywhere. You think that's gonna go anywhere? I think it's good. It was leaning back, so I just wanted to make sure it was leaning back so it wouldn't fly out. But it's like full of beer bottles or something like that. So I think it's heavy enough to stay in the truck. All right, guys, what's up? We are almost home. We almost made it. No problems yet, except for we needed to get some gas, so that's what we're getting right now. And then we'll be back on the road, and we'll be home in probably about 20 minutes. So we'll be back to you then. All right, guys, we made it. The boat is here in all its glory. Sweet, so we made it. Everything went okay. Dang, you got your pole out already? So we're gonna see. That's the problem right there. So, all right, now the whole part is getting all this cleaned up, and I mean, most of the leaves blew out on the road. Dude, almost all the leaves are gone. It's just sticks. It's pretty clean in here. Yeah, it does a lot. I guess I should just ditch this whole cooler, huh? Yeah? Let's ditch the whole thing. Yeah, I drained it when we left. Off and get rid of that. Okay, we're just cleaning up, seeing what's in here. We got some life jackets and stuff in here. This little cover. See what kind of good stuff we got in here. Oh, another tree. Okay, we have to transplant that. Can't be killing no trees around here. Okay, we have a cushion. Ooh, roaches. That goes into the trash bin. And a life vest. And this, look at that wrench. Yeah, that's cool, huh? See that? That's a rusty ass wrench and a life jacket. Let's get rid of that. It's in the trash. But look at this coffee cup. This styrofoam has made it through longer than the wrench. What does that tell you? Trash. Fishing line. Look at that. Look at that. That's beaut. That's a beaut right there. Looks like the stuff I pull out of the drain while Woody takes a shower. How's it going, man? Bag. Trash. Oops, missed. Uh-oh. No, it looks like undies. Dang, Matt, what have you been doing in this boat? Seems all good up here, even though it looks wet. Oh, look, it's in the hole. There ain't no saving that. Sorry, plant. You were all the way through the boat. Here's the other side. See? That knot would never come through. Okay, well, we got this compartment cleaned out. Looks pretty good. This is what we're gonna replace up under here. All the wood under here. Got a little crack right there. We're gonna have to take a look at. Some crack right there, but it's no big deal. Hinge right here. Ooh, here's the hinge. Still got the hinge, stainless steel. It goes right there. Saving money. Goes in the keep pile. Let's see what else is in here. Just a bunch of, I don't know what that goes, but we'll keep it just in case. A net. Ooh, look at that. What do you think on this net? Huh? It did. I saw it earlier. It did look like a... Look at that. We got a net. I don't know how good, but we'll put some bricks in it and see if it'll hold the redfish. We'll throw this in the keep pile. What else? That's it in there. Looks like it was patched at one time, not very well. So we're gonna have to get that out and fix that. Looks like it was patched here also. So we're gonna have to get all that off because look, I can peel it. So doesn't look like it's from the outside, so I don't know why it's even on there. I don't know, we'll see. Fiberglass it on the inside. Get it all gel coated and whatnots. I don't know what this is. This can come off. Trash bin. Okay. Duct tape does fix everything, but not when it looks like this. Put that in the trash bin. Here's the soft spot. We're gonna attempt to. It's only on the side. Right there, a little bit. It's right here. Here, soft. This is good. This is A-OK casting deck. I would not do that to that one up there. Compartment. We got get that out of here. Anything else in there that can come out? All this stuff's gotta come out. Looks like it's got wood wire ends. Uh-oh. That's not good. Looks like everything just got a bunch of leaves and stuff on it. Other than that, I mean, the wires don't look chewed up. You know what I mean? I mean, it's all salvageable wires. Uh-oh, what is that? Oh, there is a hole in the boat. Look at that big ass hole. It's supposed to be there, though. Super saver. I don't even know what this is for. Does anybody know what this is for? Comment in the comments below, because I don't know what it's for.
It's for the bait well.
Is that what it's for? Huh? I don't know. If you know what it is, just comment below, because I have no clue what it is. I'll save it though. Go to the safe room. Alright, we're going to get all these branches and stuff out of here. And then we'll come back and see what it looks like. We got some stuff over here. A angler ruler. Shallow water. That's why we bought this boat, for shallow water. And I think this is a bilge pump or something. Plug wire. I might save that. You might need that. And it looks like to be a stringer. We'll keep that in the keep and check it and see if it works. Alright, we're gonna get all this shit out of here now. cleaned out. Well, not all cleaned out, but we got a little bit of it. Got all the, at least the leaves and the big branches and stuff out of it. Check it out. You can see all the damage now. It's got to be fixed. Here, 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 up there. Up here's pretty good. Get this little piece right here, but it's all right. Starting to expose some bad spots, but we're gonna pressure wash it now. See if we can get it a little bit cleaner. Here's the outside. We're gonna pressure wash the outside too, but we're gonna do the inside first. This side right here looks good. Not too much right. It looks like it's been leaning towards that side a lot, so I'm gonna get this carpet out of here. After we pressure wash, we're gonna take this off, look up under there, see what kind of damage we got under there, and yeah, man, we're gonna get this going. It's already looking better than when I picked it up, so stick with us and see what else we can do to it. Alright, we got it all cleaned up. It's not too bad. It's got a little bit of damage, but I can handle it. Right now we're gonna pull that. And we're gonna pull that rear deck and probably that door. So remove this. We gotta take out all the screws. Then we gotta unhook all this stuff under here. Remove these screws. Then just pull this out. And we're gonna go through and then take all these off. All of these. And maybe the light. I'm not sure. This side looks good. This side's got the damage on it. All right, we're gonna pull all this stuff off and then we will get back to you. Fancy nasty stuff underneath here. Oh, this looks great. Gonna get this carpet and pull this out. Shouldn't be too hard. Looks like it's coming off here. See what we can find in here. Not coming off too bad. All that stuff will get sanded, so we're not really too worried about that. We may have to take this aluminum off. Don't want to do that. I may just cut here. I don't really want to take that off, or the motor, because it's all still good unless I need to change the motor. And if I need to change the motor, I'll fix all that stuff. So, well, right now it's getting there, but check it out. getting there. So give me another maybe hour or something. See how much more got done. Okay, I'm not 100% sure what the fuck I'm doing here, but I'm just gonna cut this shit. I don't know how else to do it. I know the hydraulic line is gonna be a pain, but I think I may be able to do that this way. But I'm just gonna cut this main wire. I guess this is for the motor. Maybe I shouldn't cut that. So we're just gonna cut it here and some over there. Maybe, yeah, so we can get fresh, all new wires. Okay, got that one free. I don't know what that wire's for. Let's cut it. Okay, this thing that goes to the speedometer, don't cut it. I mean, I guess you can. I'm gonna cut it right here. Yeah, it's still good, soft. So. Okay, this is the blue wire. I know this runs up to the front light. So let's cut that right there. Let's got that taken out. Here we got the steering wheel taken off. Got to undo this and this from way under there and right there. So that's for the fuel fill up, and then the fuel vent line back there. So I wonder if we just do it here and there. It looks easier. All right, well, Josh is over here killing spiders. Got the center console out, got it up there, got the gas can out, got the back deck out. I'm finna pull this carpet. Already started there, got that carpet out. And then I think we're gonna do another pressure wash tomorrow. All right, we're gonna pull this carpet out here. And that's gonna be it for today, I think. I have a flounder to clean and cook so we can get some food. But here we go. All right, let's get the carpet out and go eat. I'm hungry. Hey guys, this is the end of day 1. Just a purchase and a couple hours of working. Well, there you have it. If you want to see more of this boat build, don't forget to subscribe. Hit a like if you want to see more videos like this. And we will see you tomorrow.